Omunyina mache emakwa baby mfamra bedwam dwumede so mpensembre na asunfa na second koma St Andrews Senior High School. St Andrews Senior High School. School papa yes abatrasia ebua mam etete mofra ewo toaso school mu etuba awie GHS na afa na wo pay admission dia mana manenko St Andrews Senior High School odonko to forms na results near ready near formalizing no na say onu an ekwansa and e chiro nkrofo ne mpanfo school yatete omo anya de ketua Ghana miami odo be ko bebre no omu ade hie ewie St Andrews Senior High School hwehwoma tena e wo asimfo su Accra ni wodi bia se dunkwa onofe mankasim shama and afi sehwi asanwene so kai se BC ni GHS candidate na betimi e de results abana omo so ababnya admission 0244 696911 0244 696911 and 020 7891004 020 7891004 St Andrews SHS. We are always in the lead. Lucky here bounce in pacho. Why you lucky ana and also to me lucky. O lucky abe nyinansi ya die bia adoku ni pedwe mache ya wapra wonya ho adru no. Lucky hair batten and make for Eddie amount. Say your stroke, diabetes, hypertension. Bema na so ba na wo hwan den dia ma yade be na meka je yade be for any extra lucky herbal center no wo na or the lucky herbal mixture, lucky herbal bitters, lucky vk mixture and na odo bebre so na abadwa so nya beto a ebeboa oyie pa hwehwe omatena kese na ogomua ogwa krom winiba ni sredro kwantempo ne so bibia ni afre 0243 201 244 0243 201 244 and 0277 465 855 0277 465 855 Lucky Herbal se waye lucky Kel Chaco toothpaste ensu eni eno ane se de airport yesen atwi yesen ma yesen fita Kel Chaco toothpaste Kel 360 toothpaste aba me se ni etwi ba bia fa ba bia 360 se ka wa ne me kenya 182 360 Kel 360 toothpaste baby toate enkran so de o Kel case toothpaste eno emu ode ti akra na kasa twi ne sekra na bia ne jo se obetwi ne sekra be say 3 times in a day sa so wo Kel Chaco toothpaste o pay mu na kasa enie sunya hangover enye hono ice cream kemame fa Kel Chaco toothpaste echusin eno an Ghana ba bia ton paste bia kwa so be can be at 24 and 0593 809227 0593 809 227 abira so sem na bia for betra say atwe enkomo onmanyamfo ayenkwa ya ayenkwa Frederick champion Frederick ayenkwa MP papa wo Ghana ene Côte d'Ivoire ehyeso ufri utmi magori baba vinya mo ye ena no me hwe na we see obi afu ewo Côte d'Ivoire ena ne fie wo Ghana into koye afu no Côte d'Ivoire wa beda ejo no se Côte d'Ivoire ban che subsidy ama akuafo onya bi obenya bi wo obenya yeah interrelated okay obi abusianfo no bi so ewo ha okay ye hwibo ye ni pakro na Côte d'Ivoire Ghana Constance say oh aboko ere me ase yes yeah challenges na me major headache me roots but season na ye wo mu just December ya cashew ba be shase yeah na wo hwe cashew a tracks e ba ne cashew ye sport to di ko bia if you yeah na wo hwe amna omubetutu mu a dia bedu ha na ya sefom say abana na egusu ayesre no because cashew no ye nim revenue a generate emo man yi ne di ko ye consolidated fund yeah na sabi you say bibi free wona oman so enya so mfaso a me yidi say omuso a omo eye adwuma no ese so omuso omo ehun ehinhan wo yeah so egusu ayesre because one thing is say makwan ni nyina e dey ama contract but the saddest thing is say ebia ne wa contractor wo so a oh yeah scanning Yawa not Mashe Begani and Mamisha say free be a semi-deca a buy developing our tourist site to rake in more revenue. Last year, 2022, Yenya about $2 billion from tourism. And now a minister, I think October, minister a press conference no say about HMC over $3 billion. Now in the next 4 years, the amount of me $6 billion from our tourism of Ghana. But we share acquiring the way ye keep a tourist site now. Enyedika.
I'm say meda wase anopai. Na machia o na masanchia wahwefuo nyina.
Eso.
Na menchia asronko so akwama me constituency fo. Enkankan me constituency chairman. Yewrasan Abraham na me constituency executives na me council of elders. Menua ba kuso a oye menua ba me san kasa oye me mame sister Rashida mse nanu ya ne kata ne papa chi nanu fiada etwa mu enukra ni national chairman ni regional chairman mu ni party mpemfo nyina ne ekoya mwa gidi se ya boa ama ne papa ya kata ne chikrakra ya me kan se abusia ni nyina me mo yakọ akasa nyame on hye ye nyina de
amen
minua ne wakai otisa ene uhwe o my Ghana eno ana me kenkan bibi wo baabi one of these economic experts ekase o china budget finance minister edibeba parliament no say or make sure say ye impose more burden on Ghanaians say ye increase tax rates no
okay
na mo ye nya bibia ebe say ye widen the tax basket say ne be ya other revenues ye be reki into the system than say one item we are bia ye gi 2% next ye increase akọ 5 at the corner say ye ma ye ni ekọ baabi sika wo man we mu but we always rely on one aspect fakese na taxation but there are some other areas in the wukan share tourism revenue kakra are raking into the system. And I can tell you, me Kovota region, me call one area from Buli.
Okay.
Waterfalls no. I'm say behemi no mi ansana ye wo afajato.
Yeah.
And some other areas. Just a uko region biya in this country. Ubenya tourist site ewo. Nti looking at say ye nyan develop other site kran na kakra ye wo no. Revenue we na ye nya everywhere. As a country then a prevent ye say ye beye massive development. Because Ghana Tourist Board award the list of potential tourist sites in this country. Nti ni aka ne say nke di ya hoodin ebekọ. Who come me constituency says ya. Ye wo could be a friendly gene. In the olden days no. Na slave trade no ye kofa krofoni free Cote d'Ivoire.
Okay.
Before omodi omo beba betwa mu ababuro manso Techiman area ho. Na di omo aba Cape Coast ansana ya ship omo to abroad na. Na ho ye one of the slave markets. Nti ye ko fa slaves din nyina binum Ivory Coast ni baabi na omo di omo ba. Na oman to me anto omo ebinum no ma ye mass barrier.
Yeah.
So as we speak, and ye no uhwe ye ni the olden days ye nananum a.
Yeah.
No mo ya tintin akasifo. Nti omo bones kura ehire say these were the kind of people ye wo. Nsuo to a baby omo ye sa mass barrier no.
Okay.
Utumu say nsuo na to. Aworo asase no. Na nipa ni bone no eda ho.
Okay.
E portray ne bibia nanim nani ne se ne kon ne nan ne nsa na nsuo na wash. Now we hear those days the species of human being are near one na dey tutu and I say changes ba.
Yeah.
Ah we a nice story site. Say to me develop wa. Amanfo be kwa kohwe ama na generate bibi me am constituency wo there is a tree ye frɛ kuro baako krase Ghana Tourist Board a capture the oldest and the biggest mango tree in this country ewo German North kura esisu no hona former electoral commissioner Yewura Afarijan
okay
hono free enti ankasa adua ya locate historically nim say net ya no
yeah
kese say ye gye ho na at least sisi ho ekwan link to that crew no ye gusu kakra
and no confirm no chidua ye odua wa Mpensenpensemu a
kola
enya atra no yes ya tena mo kwabrani akotwa atwene
enti say ye to me fancy ho
yeah
Bruni bi ba no ti say historically kola bia ogonfo no chidua over 300 years esiwo onkohwe
yeah
ondua bibi so SSS say na wo kano as a country no ye boy humodin na tourism no ye invest into it na de bia enkoye say taxation it is a way of adding up to our revenue I say ye conscious effort na no hwe kentampo
yeah
na baby ayeko ura kentampo or how be crowd out so na kotena ho ubeba na why refreshed na nsu na free baby ba say free nobody knows yatimi aye galamse ya mansu we eni aye say ko afedi aye nkonkote a kakum obi di application aba
yeah
say yen twa asase ne ma no
no fanye mining
are we thinking as a country enti yen ne ye nananum di gya yen ede ne yesu ye di agya nchirima ade bia ya betu bia almost yes e bibia enti future generation their number can fire.
A question I'm beside say when it comes to tourism do we have a national plan say a bia ya na your long term plan just say the next be best 10-20 years
those things are there
because who call baby say Kenya near the most of their revenue
National Development Planning Commission they have all these things in their books we have documentations on my but your problem is say policies not are there that shelves so gather dust but when you be fast so you be implementation no any asem no you jai and you may win here and then your concentration so and you may be critique adwuma emamba bruno ya dwene ho we always play on the peripheral ano without delving into the actual adena no and as a country we need to shift tourism no ya dia ebema yesika da bia ye ba be ready budget ya na manfo eyemo hihye wo because business person bia nim say ochina budget ibe kwa wiye na import duties ye de bia ka ho
and they say twin fu enye ye
yes say ye twin ye ho afiri ho
because IMF aba
and I make say yes say ye twin ye ho afiri ho the way to go is not only taxation production into tourism ya wukan say you invest into tourism na etumi attract more tourists mo ba ebinum kura betimi abehu abe partnership with us and your production
sure.
So why should we always focus on one thing say oh ye there say ye ba be kan budget there eto eda ho dada e na ye hwe kwan be fa so a ye be ya arithmetic na na bi akokeka bi hu wo baby are we not we should think outside the box I say ye innovative na yetumi ye nioma ebemma timamofo ekoma de ahiha wo hwe sometime meka u come me ho a ye wo gawfo wo ho a omoye business
okay
ubon say akani wa ye store ha gawuni aye store ha omunyina adekro na na omoton within a year ubon say gawuni no ne business no akosoro asin akani no bi ono okofa adena turnover odiba udi bia 1 cedi betu die so ono di bia peswa na odi atu ne die no so adekro now ye fa nsa bia sikire box obia so asubansi ne nioma ne bofu bia ne na kofa box baako e de aba box no de bae no enam se wa reduce the price no nti na amanfo esisa ne odi aba no asa wakofa fufura aba na wo box back na ne kofa bo mu a wo buy wo de ne da so da because what I say engineer mani binum wo ho a ye betimi aye say na make an enye the rate of taxes no ne quantum but yet to me spread it adinitely eno kro obi tua abra on feel say why den watua bibi by the end of the day ni ebe hu ani say yanya volume here levy first na man for tua o ye tua
sure
but no mu tua unconsciously nipa no kra nim say
o tua levy
by ye say o yentum yenye in position na fi ama man for I conscious and any nipa bibiri o kra o ka say onye mumu mpo a onye de onye
obeko merchant
because or avoid it levy taxes no
say o minimum for so no so be send this cap free the funds no
onye da
obeko merchant akwa withdraw
no
send it through
merchant no avoid it taxes na obetua no but in the earlier stages no na ye wo a nice way of doing it nipa no kura betua ohun say wotua beginning now modi eba na e ka say they should begin at the lower rate say na no mo minority for say o mo ntiase that was not it ye ka kire mo say baby o mo di start no eso ye start from a lower rate and nipa kura adwene nye den emaso and they will be paying. Yes, a little drop of water makes what? A mighty ocean.
Yeah, can do.
Now there you penny boom.
Say you can do.
Na nye.
Okay.
Projections are yes near pe sigano. Yenyae. I feel minority na near the blame am say ye near frustrated. Sa tax component na ma oman to me annual mo target. But afutu near the mob no say omoni ye reason together. And omu go by near ye catch the one na. I believe say nka ene omo achieve omo target anka ye kura no we are going to think about how to increase it softly obi ampo abien ye de enkoso. So we have to reason together as a country. Na nyoma bi esese ye say ne be ya ye man ebedi ye. Nyame wadom ye as a country. Ade.
Oguso ehwe bedwam on Adom TV. Medeni akwasi Insia Enche Honorable Andy Apia could be Member of Parliament Edema Arishewo Asante Achim North. As well as cancer, Amiatua Ekomodian. So a very good morning, Koma Nana Akwesiwa Asante Mapanana Mechiaone Anopanyamishra, no Nyokese, Kopimsa Obeye Kesepa, also Mr. Okofo, and so Asante Mampon, also Mechiaone Anopay Epa. Orabianshe Garu. National Security Minister Honorable Albert Kanapanu aba machine fimono wadbe tu judge to say and from subu obabia omogitum because asoja for name omokoye on garu e bi broso but omoko nso say mabuna editu ahye hwom ho ene ye koprasa tu ni nyina e dey from wantima no ko wie ba bi ekoye as member of parliament no out here we are convinced minister no enchire mu ode bae no
menua I'm say minister Ninchiri Mwa or the bar Nurano was an afterthought.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. A afterthought.
Sebe Wankasa you.
Or no minister Nankasa under his outfit. And now all body will catch say. On my way, you were under threat.
Yeah.
Meboa.
Yeah.
Because of mercenaries. And indeed, ne, who are the bia.
You say something.
You say something. And you'll be on an alert. Even about Frakra or share your frumu crana, I say, oh, you're on an alert. Now, Waka says, see something, say something. Nani pana who be bina or can be bia. But by no way. Say, Yenim se omwa, omu dinya brasem niya hu kasem no. Omu pretty from remote areas, sometimes obscure scenes are.
Okay.
Uhu bebia, omoshe. Ni obe wane se oma springi. And he said, metikrum. All of a sudden, mahu se, ka bi aba betwem. Ka na kwa jina krutia. Na yehu adukura ka ne ebe ye wo ho. na mabuna wo kru no so ka se wo ye pese ye hu ade kru deport ntia because o mama ya alert say and the missionaries to me a free baby but Land Cruiser no missionaries omo to me use Land Cruiser.
It's memory national security say pay attention to your surroundings. Look out for unusual or suspicious activities. Report strange persons or activity. Call 999. Be vigilant. See something and say something.
It's a report what? Strange
persons,
strange
or
persons.
Activity.
And you be otigaru.
Yeah.
Na o say Land Cruiser be every crew afi okọ kruti a wa say Land Cruiser bi akopaki esi ho for some time onim adekura nipa ne eye no ho no approach nipa na boni by no waye
o masa kwa my foforo say always ensure there's enough credit on your phone to call for help in an emergency. Phone should always be charged. Be vigilant. See something, say something. Call 999.
Enti omo ekohu ka no omo LED ka no ema omo na omo wo msi omo ye national security operative.
Yeah.
Ema omo di omo call police station. Omo call guys na insist say omo search ka no na omo hwe because issue no buy no. Honorable Mama Ayariga, he spoke on it the first time when the issue came. And no crowd Nigeria saw yes omo anti committee to prove into it. And it was based on his comment. That is why the minister was called to come to the floor of the house and then explain as to what happened. And the stories now, MPs no more enclave no emano. It is totally different from what the ministry and need operatives are given.
In fact, the MC for the area crowd say, or no as head of DISEC, no nim hoshe. Say national security operatives abekromonum eba be two anamobi say.
Meanwhile, nim say
yes.
A very volatile.
Yeah.
A sensitive area because of ahensema ewo kakra na etuatu kakra na tuatu. And they being good Ghanaians, good citizens. Na mo di policy aba na omu di mo policy ni so a boni be no maye boni be mpa apoti no maye na se wu hwehwa atuo ampa ya buru ne pansa ya gitu afri no ena omo ye operation no wie na how many guns etu awudo o sen ena omo retrieve from the people obi ada ahomachi wakobọ ne prumu one ne yire wayi na ba abonten abone ma ne yire ne ma anim na wutwa ne mpre revolution na ye kan revolution anya revolution ni bi na ekoso no because this is even worse. Yes, you practicing democracy
79 something like that.
79 na yes na we see ebinsi da and then what are we seeing?
You replicated 1979 in 2023
under democratic dispensation. Yet me kwachi obi woni dem ni ayi no ye suspect say bibi ehye wo me wa wunni exhibit bi e di adanse say nipa no we na hye no ho why na ba abonten abone ma na yire ne ma edim na wu humiliate no democracy na ye see epe no I are practicing for over decades no eno mo ne we this matter should not be treated lightly. Na excuses na minister no ebe ma no me hu ni say ni obekan no nra na eto asumu ss omu scale full investigations into this issue.
Okay.
Na omu this anya brasem ni nyina no they should bring them to book.
Ni enya ni pa no ma command no.
Say na onka ho.
Okay.
The investigation na say command ni free baby na ba. Enti na ye investigate ni oka ho bia from the beginning to the latter. As I say, of facing the full rigors of the laws of this country. Because ni ha ekosuno, too much. And now Betty says, so ya for akwashi we wo ha, ochira ya kwashi we wo ha, ochira ya kwashi. Are we in the military regime?
It's also not a sign say yeah, police service no are weak. Enti for now no muntimi enkipi to their duty.
Police enye weak. Police enye weak.
So they release soldier for
police enye weak. And na honorable member for Garu na okano Honorable Alazuga, the military is meant for external aggressions. So will be free man for us babe to watch ye mind we more. That is where the military has to go in. What I say? But Newman internal issues, internal security is solely under the core mandate of the police. Be an national security Adom. And it's a bibi krasia. Why didn't they fall on the police first? But just jump straight away to call the military to come.
I think I make us also for
area now. Also, you military no.
Yeah. What they come here? Incident I see here. You release a soldier for from 7 January 2021. And I don't know. ABC eneka soldier for ya tumagu krumu brano. And can be being say ye police service no. Are you weak to the extent for Muntimi take care of the internal security?
They can do.
Say the man soldier for
Boku crisis yes in no. Say sometimes police for because who come a constituency here. Or move to me draw police no from the various units. No more the omoko duty. If you are 1 year duty cra and say no more the omaba. Maybe who say police no are you weak.
Okay.
Ni omo ye no timu pobi e na wo mu tim na ma omo ekodi saa.
Oh yeah sure.
Oh but why not? Nipa na ote awiam na ba si ni so no di nani ehwe awiam say ya onye boni bia. Me say they said they were retrieving guns.
Yeah.
How many guns were retrieved from the people? See something, say something no.
Okay.
Omo insisted say Land Cruiser na ebesi wo no. Omo search Land Cruiser na nhwem. Omo suspect say atu omo bi car no na tu nim.
So certain national security na so ya for there. E dey to be come.
And America say national security omo ko ho no. Ye ni dissect. Yeah, what district security council wo ho. DC bia na MC bia e chair the district security council or the municipal security council.
Okay.
And they say uye national security coordinator na minister. Now who send it nipa to such a district? Don't you even inform them? Because the DC is a representative of the president.
Yeah.
And they say who mo bia manie kra or no or chair dissect no. Yeah, more manie.
Yeah.
And he came out to say that he was not even in the know.
Sure.
Say national security for no. Suma bi dem say omonko di dwuma so bi sa e wo ho. Enti na make sure ade na akoso ne nyina no. The explanation the minister gave yesterday on the floor no is not sufficient. And no explanations no more as I told you earlier no. Afterthought. Ya bro mo da dwen ho. Ya bro mo awie. As I say, ye pe bibi eka say ne be ya public no be convince say ye bro one because of this.
What G Atum say yes, there were excesses
and
because
and one excesses. So omo ye no omo nim say ni omo ye they were going beyond their mandate.
Okay.
No omo ye no omo nim say they were go. I say me no ti studio ha. Na ma share that bo wasum. Na me wi a me se o me bo wasum wi kura me ba be power chew me power chew wa ma power chew but unim say we share da na be bo masum kwa say wo ma hwe o ma wi na o mo ka say excesses no e no popa kutwa na e da o ma ji no
since the excess no ka se bia
na me ka say excesses
no mo kan wo do be fry
wa admit say o ma bu o mo ni o mo ye atrocity
phobia no mo kan wo do fry
inti na me bisa just saying that no e popa kutwa na free nipa na chi Omo rips abubu do. Does it cure that?
Baby rips no buye.
I'm telling you, and MPs no they were there. MPs from that catchment were there. Even Timpani.
Yeah.
Omo kra there. Say one community be no omo nka ho. But omo hwi omo echo involve that community no from the narration of the MPs. It's a very sad situation. And I think that this should be the last of its kind. How can we be doing this?
Say be one soldier for you krum sir.
Say omo yes anya brasem no. It's very bad. It's very bad. Na me nim aban oti akonya so. Enyoma say koso a. Yes see eni bo a ekotrem. That will tell you the kind of leadership ye wo as we speak.
Oh sir.
And I say obi aye ne ofe. Ya to agum sa anti ni obi ape bia na oye. Ya to agum anti ni obi ape na oye. And this is why we are calling on Ghanaians to say, next year, this is Emra. No more bet me do your mind with Swagana for Ubin Cotun show be soon called Bruno Quano. Emra. Near fine she sharing your man be go akwansu kama saying where Ubia be Ubia on no mind with.
Honorable and the Apia Kubi Enso Atrase, Member of Parliament Malaysia War Asante Achim North. But I was so far from Sadamunyam in February.
January
rather.
End of January 20th.
Okay. Matuabano.
Betuabano end of January.
Oh, okay.
Now you be platforms December 20th.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's the honorable and the appeal could be SIG Namubi. In fact,
I am a campaign manager.
I have one constituency.
I am very courageous.
People should watch out.
Me a campaign manager. I am very courageous. Mr. Nipo Mwaku Kudru na ya mi na penye to make us a finance minister baby amamu ni ko baby esika sem tutu ye ko ne nye. Ya ye die mu ye nsisam. He champion it.
Right.
Nigeria say party ni tie no a. Enen ka baby aya kwa ko drink enuru. Oya no kure kan for meba be ye campaign ama.
Enti ba je be ko dia ko family ba na fe honorable and appeal could be so. Enya na cha memfa na second saving so come Dominion herbal powder. Dominion herbal powder. Say no pa bia sorry a se bi fagu enso hyiemu. Na the sterness nanum ebeboa ma immune system na no ayedin ye pa ko de tie ya would be to say diabetes, stroke, spinal cord problems they ade
Which topic did you take?
So and unya Dominion herbal ointment so waponu waposo na ye oya no fa esrasra na emua na enyi pains ni nyina efa efro pharmacist chemical herbal shop dia bekobia no onsa ebeka bi ato atufo de enkyere Angels Dominion Herbal Center Limited wo nkoko bibia ne afre 0543 158195 0543 158195 and Cranford Repart Ventures Nana Boache Herbal Angels Herbal Shops Ashama Soko Equus Pharmacy Tema Little George Health Shop Kofo Yafoko Gapsim Pharmacy Delight Pharmacy or Hirinana Herbal Owusko B Pharmacy and Central Market no Edi and Mishem Sumso Tony K Pharmacy Ashmoda so Nana Provision Store Kennedy Drug Store and Asumanya Fonso Nagiza Pharmacy Epacho Unyan Finchia Edumi no Bapin for Unso Wonka ho Make us a Black Friday Asaba Franco at the Black Friday Asaba Marianko Yakremula Yaba Meka was much.
Your time.
Eti boys adi omusika ewie mpacho wani ma renho ewia 12 enwumre 6 yebesa bo draw foforo ya obutimi ewi ni wonum honorable Andy Apia Kubi also atnas member of parliament Malaysia wo Asante Achim North in Ashanti region honorable akwa babiem
ya ni aminia
era say anopoet me become let's say traffic be at
I tell you I had to make a detour. Ye titemano ye bakra na se butu we si dia we are out of coverage area. Editor no abekokofa beach road abesa titimu asabitri cantonment be no abem anti busia form pancham
the best that place for say mamu na nyetia otema moto na odie ya because a car be delay in a second cry
moto we dey no pa bia ke hia petrol.
Yeah.
Anope bia ja bende.
Honorable. You have to me Garu Timpani attack.
No.
National Security Minister say there were excesses, but I don't want to know what you know was for a good purpose. The more my Ghana.
Yo. Didi kan mamichia mebusia for Asante Achim North. Just see how man de mabetra.
Yeah.
And to say you media the so we need dia we so a question back when answer. It will be a question where in yes. You're National Security Minister by Parliament. Now, the question is, and some see Garu ni home no. Koya samana asifim pa na. Enye Garu nkwa emse ena enye regime ba kupenkwa. Minia adia endemic in your society say. Obi feel so hodiche wa tebia no so chiro so hodiche which is not the best na dia ne ha me ne se sembi ba se ya we na minu ye gina ha na me so me gina ha na ase esi me personality I have to defend esi we personality he has to defend. I don't think that is proper. I don't make solutions. Okay. Solution no ne say bit me tu ase kura na enye regime kura esi wo minim say minister national security minister ba enye se ne no pen no sabi o president so enye se ne no pen no but esi repeatedly say ebia timemfo ni omo hentare no police ni soja ni ho no enya sema immediately na soja fo no dimrika ahodi a ewo mu nti they forget say ahodi nso yenya na building in them ena atare no a ehu no ehye so yenya na de hye enti eba ne say ya no mutisi yenya etimemfo so a ya na omo subai no mabrabo no enkoyi na esese etimima education to both sides to say yenya citizens asi ehu say obi hye national atade no national emblem no na it is the state before you and yes according to the necessary respect say enkoba say yakof police ni atade ye na dwuma yesi bikra o meche wo senior mebu na wa hodinti enye brapa. So I want to condemn the behavior of the citizens first. Say yes so ye say dimra so say whenever there is a presence of the state and now say state bambo fo bi gina wanimu a mano the due respect and cooperate with him say ne be ya obetimi aye na dwuma say ebebo ye nyina aye ho ban ebi ana wo de obetimi abu no obi ana me de mitimi mu no enti wo koye say ne kofa rukayobi every institution as well. And don't forget say when the police are trained to protect property and lives, the military training is different. Military, they are trained to destroy the enemy before you. And to share to orientation, the way they operate.
Okay.
First of all, so what police training, they are trained under any circumstance. Make sure you protect life and property. That is the orientation of the police. Okay. We do call a battlefield training. I say, whatever you consider to be the enemy before you destroy it. So, until one training until one more is different. Until so the way you ejma not the way you ejma enyi. And this situation we ban say you soldier for me police for ejma kra ya na ke here said they should operate under the police control.
Okay, when it comes to internal security.
When it comes to internal security, said the bear or guide you as to how to protect life and property. The Jao Munkwa so Munkwa. That's our orientation no idea mom de bano. Mina no shi. And national security apparatus no must consider how to reconcile orientation of the two institutions na intimate win-win situation. Yenya yetimemu phone futu am dia mom ni say anytime we security alert na security presence na national presence bia no essentially we behave such that we be accord sa presence no the necessary respect because see yakobu munia be ya be we say wo restitution no essentially the ma no won sabe kakra na wabre to say abu awie bi a wepra SSX state no restore to your state and son yebebu. Now you go through legal process and son about to mean restitution. Legal process no so you have to pre-finance it. Ebi anesika ni ho would be follow ya would be court would to say military institution no be court and also the state be court. Obaku for the state court when we say na sometimes easy. And tie nyina nya sa adwin sakra na say state ni bu animu whatever the circumstance, accord them the necessary respect and the necessary support.
It's not becoming too...
I will come back. I'm addressing it from the citizen's perspective.
Yeah.
We will come back and I will address also authority. And it's advised by that. Because in most cases, no, unya restitution, unya sebe impatae, I hear no for market from Hirunkwa and Patae who are very strong life. And here, careful when we are confronted with military or police or any force with a state authority. Sometimes even proving say the patrono a frolic of his own difficult. Once a shot at the end be a command chain no be a man command so be it you proving say Ukraine commander and a command na small war no sometimes that and as abda wo institutions here or more institutional character easy say so obi kura free mu be boni bia the institution no be boni hu bai enti wuntimi nya no as a person on the frolic of his own na wotimi edinafa emrakwan so exactly the necessary punishment amano enti yenye careful na yem for respect ma security authorities are mobile nyina hu bai. Number 2 womo so security agencies no membership no mu training you security is to protect what is valuable. Na bibia ni wiase ya valuable che life o enti wo kra no say we see we security and face what is valuable no particularly what is valuable to the state and valuable to you the person and nipa e wo Ghana ha no ye na ye wo sovereignty no ayede ma omu nyina ede de omu ye no enti e ka valuable property of the state dia e nipa e wo mu no enti say ye ma orientation bia say destroy whatever is before you consider as an enemy and enum timi en convert nipa no a ordinarily ubon hu ba no as a valuable asset of the state no into an enemy. Sa conversion no se unintiase na to be converted near waduma ye kire se bodo hu ba no into an enemy near that is what to begin with. Enti say more orientation ye training no so motiase who is your enemy. Okay. In their training no. Okay. And who at what point will you meet the enemy? So now we protect the state. Nipa no ewo mu a part of the state no then the nipa no all of a sudden or convert it into an enemy for you to destroy. Empty say education kakra here pa omu development
another orientation ma ye military no
orientation interpretation no here. Okay. Na me feel say forces around the world more similar orientation. Now, orientation enemy no it's in context of a foreign being. Okay. Not an internal being.
Okay, so say your mom focus say omodwuma also omo ye ho. I don't think say there will be another reorientation.
Good. Say no focus omodwuma omo ye ho. Omo de no territorial integrity no dey omo saw. Yeah. And into the presumption is say ade bi enye Ghana de na say a force be a Ghana force. Yeah. Alien force. Accessible control. Yeah. And na bobo man who buy. Man mu agapade ni nipa. Enti omo de ka specifically no ka ye do to border so omo hwe nipa be take Ghana mum. Yeah. Na enam inadequacies na wo security system ntino. Omo say police for no na wo control and charge over internal security. Yeah. Enti se base police for ho de no kofom na se hia ahodi fofora ena ya na eduru bi a ye kofa ebi se mu nyina mu security apparatus whole state no enti mo ko bo mu nuanum security for mu provide internal security ena me ka che say sometimes no say o plug the pan free security of the territory no into internal security now I'm reorienting no one debrief no ansan wa reorient no now the sa suban no afri sa a border control no e ba internal ya ohu obi a o move bi a no fanse o mo adinam abotina ko be attack Ghana ni bi
ona bia woti incident a esi wo memo since January 7th 2021 ebesi na ya ma sojafo apie abonten. Do you think say a issue and a beyond the police intia no say ma sojafo bem?
No, the assessment in there to be done by the national security. Unfortunately, me as security personnel, so I cannot give evaluation of that. But they generally know, say a kobase here, say here reinforcement, business, a police phone, and to be provided. me and me were here, me security person, me drink it to me when he say, oh, change you be from one destination to another. As I said, we debrief no.
Yeah.
We debrief no. We are now man reorientation. And sana, we did not. Now when you two shows you operate within the confines of the new institution now. Okoye Juma Buano. And I make her say, as I said, Omobaye Juma under police supervision. Say police for no a supervisor or more. Come mom command they say omuye de omuye no. Because any police voting Ghana here, who say police for hardly na beti say police for be akoto a grofo bi so abom. Yeah. Yabo ni nyina fakese ya na soldier for. But the means being person be dey say enam say si emre ya ye aban bi na tisunti e aban na look yes you politicize the people who now be defending the territory. Na core issues no.
For example, the DC for Garo, Honorable Musa Osman, you are not head of dissect, say, a soldier for the bomb or crown, or not as dissect head. No, only Moshe. And
only security breach. No, dear, Minister by Parliament, you should answer questions why and where was the authority and how was it dispensed. So, SSC beside me, but it's the beer. The me person say when you the first time, and I can say interrogate Garudi Nkwa to call a CSC, and who say security chain, you are not default room. Until let's address it, say, soldier for you have no right. Say one casa on your own, but yes, you so okay, they open. And command so a chain, and the command no say, oh, yeah. Captain, now troop we are now commando now person you need to seek clearance from superior.
By a man of command and cause one thing see for more.
Your monitor chain no baby break in command by definitely send your minister no say no ni mu hwe no send your MC no e ka say no ni mu hwe no obviously at least say say break in change commander and ke fi commander no control unit no be see MC no adentina MC no there was a break.
Okay, so maybe be a man form politicize it, but it becomes a worry when we have the president as commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Na the minister for defense obro baye for more than 4 times ye huna soldier for okro. There be a yenshim, there be a shim, ye be shim still, ye be see, be say. And you think, say, people will not bash the president, people will not bash the minister.
We cannot throw away history and begin to think, say, we have only just emerged.
Sure.
And if we go back, history, in Canadian Sida,
and Soja Bay,
and Soja Bay, even civilian Bana, you buy 1982, 23, thereabout, Nessie de Bia. If I cry, I was a victim at one point. Legon, see, Kofobi Babu, Butrubia, Soja for. Na one of your microphone, Nani Papaye. Then, no, I think 94, before thereabout. Nani Papaye. Chief Justice. Na ye call demonstration no crowd one could be no them. Na one no them crowd no say yes bed no. They call but them cry ye we dey compare on dey na ye. So idea see me brain. To mind call the root cause of it. Name how to uproot it. So command chain no breaking. Why? How do we solve that problem? And reorientation now can once and necessary. And yes, so the public education is also a way part. And so necessary. Say I mean they are phenomenal, but above all, young supervision was a president. As a president of the security couples, no name trans name was it's becoming too plenty.
One she in so na win a canayama kufikum si asem ne yabe.
What's it?
Say when Akufo-Addo becomes president, I can't sleep with my 2 eyes closed.
My main response is when he personalizes it like that, Akufo-Addo won't even fit to Mbamifi. A system.
Okay.
And he say if you are part of a system, you cannot be singled out for commendation or otherwise.
Okay, he's not just part of the system. He's the head of the system.
You are head of the system. Maybe so at some point, you know. ebi ana me feel say role is be head of system me so meet ebi perception bi a justified
but perception seems to give some links to
ono ko fi come see no kan Kufuor be president bi abebo no
okay
any generalization any personalization any necessary.
Frederick, 1 minute enko
yo am say me senior wakasa uhwe ne kasa emu a ne asi wo garu I say enye enonko na asi but this is a different circumstance because we are not in good times. Yenim say na ye militant groups are omo egu amanfo so Burkina yenim nia AC garunum ebemben those enclaves bibia betimi asi national security ankasa na atnase.
Okay,
I know say it's a government policy say uhu bibia ka bibi wenye ti say adadani asi no nepa no yesi omonye security alert and omaya alert say adibia ekoso no omuhu a ombeka omahu say ka bia kopaki baby DC nya awe omutimamfo omuti won nya awe nti omu bu nkompo ahwe a good citizens to see what is happening and na akofa sense me nyina.
Okay,
edi on this note ni American say see something say something no say me see na ma say na ye me wi ababuru mi ahomachia. Do you think Ghanaians will patronize this anymore?
See Sabio.
Me ko see na ma say na me wi aye beating say
I love him for the propaganda he puts onto the national security discussion. I love him for that. Matters of national security, because security there, me papa, me mama.
But so happy birthday, confirm Justin Frimpong, General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, and also Mr. Toto Pikwache, and then your birthday, happy birthday, Kumawina. Meaning the Akwesi Asia. What's my pa?
My chairman offers General Secretary.
Okay.
We are me offers he's doing very well. Very well. If I may not be supporting the campaign, but let me so obey exceedingly well.